Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Student, all of you are good and safe in your homes. That's good. Student, move toward our topic. Today we solve words problem related to weight. Okay, you people solve the previous question, addition question 1 to 6 in your rough notebook. All of you? Any problem? No? Well done. Okay, student. Look at the board. There are total 6 questions. We solved 3 questions. Okay, today and 3 in the next lecture. Look at 2. I solved 1 question for you people and you people solve remaining 2 questions. Okay, clear? So look at the board. How can you people solve the question related to weight? You people follow the same method you people follow for addition words problem. For words problem, any type of words problem. Students, when questions are given in the paper, this one is not clear to you. This point is not clear to you people. Either we solve it for addition, for subtraction, for multiplication, or for division. People just read out the question. Okay, look at which things are given, how many quantities are given, how many things are demanded. Okay, and also you people take help from the clue words. There are clue words for each operation, for addition, for subtraction, for multiplication, and for division. Okay, clue words also help you people. Okay, and you people write the simple statement. Simple statement when you people solve the question. Okay, now look at the board. Question is given. Arif bought 12 kilogram 400 gram of rice, chawal and 7 kilogram 325 gram of meat, gosht. Okay, Arif, these are just our real life problems, student. When you people go to the shop, you people just buy rice. Sweet is 12 kilogram and 400 gram. And buy meat. Its weight is 7 kilogram and 325 gram. You people just collect, add these two. What is the total? What is the total? Again, clue word. What is the total weight of the rice and meat? Total. For total, you people collect these two weights. Sum up these two weights. Okay? And you people just write simple statement given in the question. You people just copy here. Clear? Look at to here. Arif bought, again Arif bought 12 kilogram 400 gram of rice. How much rice Arif bought? Arif bought 12 kilogram 400 gram of rice. And the next one quantity, the next one item is meat. He bought meat. Its weight is 7 kilogram 325 gram. 325 gram. These two quantities are given. These two items are, these two quantities are given with different units, kilogram and gram. And the question is, what is the total? What is the total? Mean you sum up these two quantity, weight of the rice and meat. Clear? So you people just write simple statement. Look at the board, student, from your side. Answer me, what is the first statement of this question? Here, look at, yes, Arif, just simple statement. Arif bought rice. That's good. How much? 12 kilogram. How much? 12 kilogram 400 gram. How much? 12 kilogram and 400 gram. Move toward the next one. This one is 7 kilogram 325 gram of meat. Just write the same statement. Replace rice to meat and write this one quantity. Okay? Again we write same. Arif bought meat. Gosht. Okay. 7 kilogram. How much gram? 325 gram. 325 gram. Clear? Clear to you? We write these two quantities. No, the last statement. What is the total weight of the rice and meat? What is the total weight? Mean you people collect to these two quantities, sum of these two quantities. So we write the total weight mean वजन, a total weight of the rice and meat, two item. Okay, students, you have done your activity in the previous lecture I given to you people. Collect some different things from your home and weight them. Your school bag, tissue box, teapot, copy, your notebook, your book, any type of fruit. Done it, all of you. You find the weight. It's more than 1 kg or less than 1 kg. Some are less than 1 kg and some are more than 1 kg. Oh, great. And you people weight yourself? What's your weight? More than 1 kg? Yes. Okay. So, move toward our question again. So, the question, the total weight of the rice and meat, we again plus the two quantity. Add these two quantities. Okay. Look it in rough work. We arrange the question vertically. We write the given unit, kilogram and gram. How much kilogram? 12 kilogram. How much gram? 400 gram. And we add how much? 7 kilogram. How much gram? 325 gram. We just add these two quantities to get the answer. Look at the board. 0 plus 5 make 5. 0 plus 2 make 2. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, student, hurry up. 9 and 1. So your answer is, the total weight is 19 kilogram, 725 gram. Clear? You follow the same method. You follow just for addition of quantities. Okay. In the previous questions, you people solve for addition. In rough work, you people do the same method and get the answer. Clear? Okay, student. Your homework. Move toward your homework. Your homework is do exercise 4.4, questions 7 to 9 of book page 94 on rough copy. Again, learn table 2 to 9. Okay, I already solved question number 7 for you people. Now move toward question number 8 and 9. Okay, we discuss it and you people solve in your notebook. You people copy same method. Okay, writing should be neat. Open your book, page number 94. Exercise 4.4. Question number 7 already solved. Move toward question number 8. Look it to question number 8. Question number 8 is one bag contains 35 kilogram 500 gram. How much? 35 kilogram 500 gram of flour. आटा. Okay, आटे को बोलते. And another bag has 25 kilogram 225 gram of flour. Two bags are given. Weight of two bags are given. The first bag contains, you people simply write the weight of first bag. 35 kilogram, 500 gram. And the next one, second one bag, 25 kilogram, 225 gram. Again, two quantities are given. And what is the demanding one? What is the total? The total clue word help you. You people add these two quantities, weight of the two bags. Okay, you people just write sentence, weight of first bag, this one, weight of second bag is equal to this one, and the weight of total weight of two bags, you people when add these two, you people get the answer. Okay, now move toward the next one question. Question number 9. A man got 285 kilogram, 425 gram of wheat, gandam. Okay, a man got 285 kilogram and 425 gram of wheat from one field, khet, and 225 kilogram, 357 of wheat from another field, two fields. Okay, amount of gram of wheat from one field is this, and the second one is this. Okay, what can you people do? How much wheat did he get all together? Again, clue word help you. All together, you people just add these two numbers. Okay, easy. Student, you can solve it. No, why? Problem? No, student, no problem. Okay, I solved one more question for you people. Look at the board. Okay, you people help me and give me answer. Okay. Okay, you people write the statement. One more question I solve for you people, and the remaining one question you people solve by yourself. Clear? Look at the board. We solve question number 8. Okay. Question number 8. Already discussed to you. So, I write just statement. You people give me answers. Okay. Look at the board and give me answers from your book. The correct statement. Okay. Okay. So we write simply one bag contains 35 kilogram 500 gram of flour. So we just write weight of first bag is how much? 35 kilogram 500 gram. Okay, simple. You just exchange the statements more simply. And another bag has this one gram of flour. So we write weight of second bag. Weight of second bag how much? Is 25 kilogram 225 grams. And the demanding thing, what is the total weight of the two bags? Total weight of two bags. Okay, simply we add these two. We just write weight of first bag is 35 kilogram 500 gram. Weight of second bag 25 kilogram 225 gram. Okay, and you people just write total weight. Okay, clear? For total we add these two numbers. In rough work, we give the heading of kilogram and gram. 35 kilogram. How much gram? 500 gram. And 25 kilogram. How much gram? 225 gram. You people add these numbers. 5 plus 0, 5. 2, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 5, 10. 4, 5, 6. Clear? So you get the answer. 60 kilogram. How much gram? 725 gram. Now easy? Just one question left, student. This one question you people solve by yourself. Okay? You people just write simple statement. Weight of first bag, weight of second bag. Then you people total the weight of the weight of these two bags. You people arrange the question in vertical order. Okay, then you people add the number in correct one order. Okay, and then write. Clear? No, you people can solve question number 9. Easy, students, you can solve it. Same method follow. You people solve so many words problem. Okay, work should be neat and tidy. Underline the question. Okay, give proper heading. Draw margin line. Clear? Clear, students? Thank you.